Alright, we're going to work on making some logos here. So the first thing we need to do, let's remake this one. So we'll click File, New. Okay, go ahead and click OK to that. Okay, you can fill in the background by simply starting with a rectangle, whatever you'd like to do. Draw a rectangle. Top left corner, you can hold and pick a color. Right, we can use the pen tool or text or any kind of shapes that we'd like. So let's use the pen tool. Let's draw an angel wing. Okay. We can use the direct selection tool to manipulate anything that's part of the path. And the black selection tool, you can move it where you want. So after you've made a path, simply change the color. Okay, if you're finished, we can mirror that to the other side. So object, transform, reflect. Okay, we want to make a copy. Preview what it does. Alright, so that's done it. You can then shift that one over. Okay, if we want to get them both aligned, just hold your shift key, click on both, and you can simply just align different types, align the tops, and to align the centers. That doesn't work too well. So there is a variety of tools that you can use. Alright, now that I've got that how I want, you can do really cool things like cutting out shapes. So what you need to do for that is go to Window, Pathfinder, pick. So hold the shift key and pick what you want to work with, and then you can select different things like unite, minus, trim, divide. So if I click on divide, now when I drag that out, let's try that again. Direct select, select that out. Now it has the shape cut out. So that was using the divide tool. I can go and add some text. Angel Racing. Okay. Place it where you want to. Probably better to use Photoshop for that particular aspect. Okay. Now let's just adjust this little guy in. And now let's move the artboard smaller, so we'll just drag a box around this. Double click on our artboard. Okay, at the top, go up, select Fit to Selected Art, and click OK, and now it fits. Alright, Control D deselects things. Then go File, Save As, and save it as a EPS. Save it to wherever you want. Logo. Okay, Angel Wings. Okay, and now that's going to work in Photoshop. So we can now put that into Photoshop if you'd like.